Hey everyone, welcome back to Lost Together Forever Motorcycle Diaries. First off, thank you guys for watching, viewing, subscribing if you could, and giving us a thumbs up if you like our content. Anyways, in this video what we're going to be doing is installing a set of raw and rugged side cover bags and a raw and rugged seat cover. The leather seat cover, leather side cover bags. I'll just let you guys see here the side bags. That's a left-hand side one and the right-hand one. Now, from what I've seen, the equipment here, raw and rugged, their stuff is really well built. It seems to be nice quality leather, decent feel to it, and it's cheap as well, which fits right up the Enfield alley. Also here, I'll show you the seat cover. See, I'm not endorsed by Raw and Rugged at all. I purchased these over the winter with thoughts of putting them in or installing them. And now that the weather's decent here, I can finally get around to doing it. Anyways, this is the seat cover. Okay, so I'll show you guys that in a bit. The seat cover comes with in the bag is a brush, I guess, to keep the suede clean. And I noticed as well they sent me a keychain, which is kind of a handy little thing. Didn't pay for it; they just threw it in the bag. It's awesome. Anyways, it seems like a really good company. They're out of India. They ship really fast. I have no affiliation with the company at all, but they seem like a decent product. So anyways, what we got to do here, we're going to install the side bags first. So what we need to do is remove the seat and then the side covers. So get on that right now. Seat covers, side covers. For anybody that's not familiar with how you unlatch, drop it down off of the pins there. These grommets go up into there. Pull this little knob, that lifts your seat. Now we're going to have to remove the cowl to put the seat cover on, so I'll be doing that as well. My hope is eventually to put the seat cover on and then reinstall the cowl. Now I'm not sure if it'll fit or not, but bear with me and we'll have a go at that. Now, if you've been following our channel, one thing that I'll point out. Shut up, we're trying to film. That's our resident ringneck pheasant. Anyways, always squawks at the most inopportune times. Anyways, one of the mods that I did, it's not really a mod, it's just a bit of a little hack. If you guys are interested, is down here ordinarily is a small little Allen key bolt that you have to access in order to take the side cover off. What I've done is install a GoPro adjusting knob. Now, you can find these almost anywhere. They're cheap to buy online if you don't already have one. A couple bucks. Makes it really easy and handy for pulling off the side cover. Just unscrew it, take it out. That's where it sits. Ordinarily, like I say, there's a small little Allen bolt there. So this side cover, the way it is you unbolt here. Then over here on the far left side is a rubber grommet. So you've got to pop it out of the grommet there and then lift up. This rubber knob fits in this slot here, and there's your rubber grommet. All right. So the side cover bags. What I'm going to do is left, right. This is the left one. Yeah. So this one's because the zipper tabs face the rear. This one will fit right there. Now, what I'm going to do on this, I should point out, I guess, they attach via elastic straps, elasticized straps. Now, what my concern is that over time, sand or dirt or dust or whatever will go down between the bags and the side covers, and it'll mar the finish of the side covers. So I've got this electrical tape. This is 2-inch or 1 3/4 electrical tape. Standard tape is 3/4 inches, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the side cover panels with the electrical tape and trim it down so that it's not very unobtrusive. It's not going to show in order to protect the surface. I've done this in the past on other motorcycles if I go touring and use some throwover bags. What I generally do is coat the areas with electrical tape. We're only going away for a couple of weeks, so at the end of the day, you peel the electrical tape off and it protects your finish. I'm going to do the same thing with these side covers. So what I'll do is I'll start putting this on, and I'll bring you by his back and show you how it looks. Alright, so got both of the side covers taped up here, as you can see. Don't have to really worry about it too much. This one, there's a few air bubbles here. With the wider tape, you get some air bubbles, but it's going to be covered by the bags anyways. I just like to say this is just for protection only. So, anyways, I'll show you how to put these on now. I will say that it's quite an ingenious little setup with these elastic straps that they have. I've seen other ones online where you have to attach a metal plate to the top of your cover and everything else. It's not worth it. It's a pain in the ass. So anyways, these ones, they slip in at the bottom first, and then if you can just pull them up as high as you can to start with, then that will give you enough slack up top to slide them over, and they are quite a tight fit, so just be aware of that, but take your time. I think probably, I don't know if it makes any difference doing it in the sun or in a hot, but anyways, it seems to be okay. Try and get these straps nice and so they lay flat and there's no ripples in them, no places for stuff to accumulate. Then once you have them over, of course, then you can level, you can position them where you want them on the covers. In this case, this one's looking pretty good. I just want it down a little more. There, like I say, the electrical tape will protect the cover. Do the same on the other one. Again, through the bottom path first. Down a bit. Try and get it centered. Say the zippers to the back. Okay. All right, so there's the two side bags on the side covers. Now, as far as the seat, it's pretty simple as well. One thing about these guys from Raw and Rugged, they seem to have really thought things out. Having been to India, I can tell you, those people are geniuses. They can make anything work and fix anything. It's just amazing. If you're interested in India and traveling around India, I encourage you to check out our other videos. We were there in 2019, just before the pandemic, and it's just an incredible place. This goes in at the nose, goes around to the back, fits like a glove. Not an O.J. Simpson glove, a glove. fit it and snug it up some. Like I say, I'm just going to snug it up like that. See if I can do a bow here. Probably have to tighten this up as it stretches out and gets used. The leather will stretch, so you don't really want to do anything permanent or tie it in a knot that you can't untie. And then fix the Velcro. Like I say, it fits awesomely, and my hope is eventually to, I'll show you with the cowl afterwards, but first off what I'll do is I'll put the side covers on again on this side. Up into the there. This one on the other tab. There's one. They just fit so well. I'm amazed at how they work again. This one, this rubber foot goes in the hole here, down there. The grommet over here on the left, and then ordinarily it's the Allen-headed bolt, but now it's the GoPro adjusting knob. Makes it a heck of a lot easier for taking your side covers off and on. Don't have to break out the toolkit or carry any tools with you. I'd totally recommend doing this as a little sort of hack, mod, whatever you want to call it, on the Enfields. There you go, snugged up. The seat. Again, the seat goes in the front. Just want to make sure the cover's not on top of this little rubber bumper here, because that's the distance for the front tabs of the seat. So, and there's the back tab of the seat. See, make sure that's clear. Like I say, it's going to loosen up some, and they say they'll break in quite nicely as well and take on their own color. So, like I say, one of my hopes is that eventually I'll be able to take the cowl, because I don't ride with a passenger. Kathy's got her own bike, and she rides her own bike, so that's perfect. What I'm hoping is that, and I may have to take out some of the padding on the back of the seat eventually, but once it's broken in and properly fit, I think what I'll do is use a leather hole punch a hole through the cover right to the mounting, and hopefully be able to fit the cowl as well. But have a look there. It's pretty decent. That's where the cowl and butt. There's the line where I have to remove some of the padding perhaps, but it may compress as well. Comfort-wise, probably adds about a quarter to a half an inch, and it is a lot more comfortable, grippy on your butt, so you're not going to slide around as much. Yeah, that's everything installed. One thing I should point out, I guess, is I was going to show you guys the side cover bags. Is here. There's not a ton of room in these bags, but there is enough room for tools. It's fully lined. Like I say, it's a decent quality and everything else. In terms of capacity, I guess you could probably do, I don't know, 1 beer per side, which probably wouldn't affect riding at all. But if you wanted to take a little beverage with you on the road, which we do now and again, it's not affected by your leg at all. So just another little handy function of Raw and Rugged. Thanks again, guys, for watching, subscribing, liking. We appreciate your comments, and we appreciate your support. Like I say, if you could hit us up, that subscribe button, and check out our other videos. They're pretty cool. We had a lot of fun making them. And yeah, see you in the next one. Hope you guys enjoy. Lost Together Forever Motorcycle Diaries 2021 Enfield Continental 650 GT. Cheers. Keep rubber side down.